Today's video is about ancient Indian beauty secrets for flawless skin and strong hair. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Indian beauty secrets have been passed down through generations, blending the power of nature with age-old wisdom. From glowing skin to thick, healthy hair, these time-tested remedies use simple, natural ingredients that are both effective and easy to find. In today's video, I'll be sharing the best-kept secrets of Indian skincare and hair care, from the brightening magic of turmeric and soothing power of sandalwood to the nourishing effects of coconut oil and amla. These remedies aren't just about looking good, but feeling confident in your natural beauty. Now, let's start the video. We talk about on Indian beauty secrets for glowing skin. First, we talk about on turmeric. The benefits of using turmeric helps to brighten skin, reduces inflammation, and fights acne. How to use: mix turmeric with yogurt or honey to make a soothing face mask. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Now we talk about on sandalwood, chandan, for clear skin. The benefits of using sandalwood that helps you to reduces acne, fades pigmentation, and gives a natural glow. Make a smooth paste using sandalwood powder and rose water. Apply as a face mask for 15 minutes, then wash off. Next, we talk about on multani mitti. Multani mitti helps to absorb excess oil, tightens pores, and prevents acne. Mix multani mitti with rose water or aloe vera gel. Apply, let it dry, then rinse with cold water. Name for acne-free skin. Neem leaves powder helps to kills bacteria, prevents breakouts, and soothes irritation. Next, we talk about on aloe vera gel for hydration. Fresh aloe vera gel helps to soothes, hydrates, and repairs skin. Now we talk about on besan, gram flour, for cleanser. Gram flour helps to exfoliates gently and brightens the skin. Next, we move on to Indian hair care secrets for strong, shiny hair. First, we talk about on coconut oil massage. Coconut oil massage helps you to deeply nourishes your hair and promotes your hair growth. Next, we talk about on amla for hair growth. Amla helps to strengthens hair roots and prevents premature graying, also increases hair growth. Next, shikakai for natural cleanser. Shikakai acts as a natural shampoo, making hair soft and shiny. Next, henna for conditioning. Henna helps you to conditions your hair and adds natural color. Now we talk about on fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds helps to strengthens your hairs, removes dandruff, and promotes hair growth. Lastly, we talk about on onion juice. Onion juice helps to reduce hair fall, also boosts hair growth, and improves scalp health. And there you have it. Powerful Indian beauty and hair care secrets that can transform your skincare and hair care routine. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next video.